Trick for doing fine stuff. Let me show you. So I've got the smallest brush I can find, but then even that is not
too big.
Not small enough for what you want. So if you want to get a really fine line, this is what you do. You load up your brush just at the tip. So instead of loading your whole brush all the way up, you just go in at the tip on the edge of your pile of paint, just to load up on both sides of it. One, roll over, do the other side. So you've got paint on the tip there. Now if you want to get a really sharp little tiny blade, like that one there is just going to make a big mark like this, clunk. So instead you load up the paint on both sides of the brush and then you pat it off once, turn completely 180 degrees over and pat it off again. And now what you've got is a really sharp flat blade. This is a round brush, but we've just changed it into a flat blade.
Yeah.
So I've got a really sharp flat blade, and so now I can do the tiniest little fine lines with that flat blade, doing a sword stroke.
Oh my goodness.
So this is the smallest round brush I've got, but then if I flatten the bristles to a sharp razor blade and I do a sword stroke, it's like a little tiny miniature flat brush, and I'm doing a sword stroke with it. Look at that, it's almost like a hair thick. You need to keep loading up so your brush is wet enough.
Very quick as well.
Yeah, keep loading up. But see, I've got a really sharp little blade there. I'll make a mark like that. A tiny little hair width of a mark. So that's what I did around her eyes and eyebrows. I patted my brush down to a tiny skinny flat brush and then did a sword stroke across it.